FSLR stock analysis and FSLR stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'll be doing is just showing you my exact play and everything. First solar in particular, so you know, I was pumping and I was like, okay, I'm looking to double down, but we came down quite hard and I'm like, okay, we can argue this is still a great demand, but just 1-2 candles on this daily chart, it's really not enough for me to pull the trigger and be bullish in this. So what I mean by that is, if this pulls a little bit lower and gives me that confirmation, that's when, you know, I'm gonna look to buy and really double down on this. And if not, well, I guess it is what it is, mate, you know. Randomly buying, it's never going to be the way out, at least not for me, because, you know, I've done it before. So if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K from trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye, enjoy, and there's really nothing else that I'll be doing here. See ya. Cheers.